How to increase your screen's refresh rate. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can increase the refresh rate of your mobile screen. So if your mobile phone supports a higher refresh rate like 90 Hz or 120 Hz, but you are only getting 60 Hz, then let me show you how you can fix that. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open the settings of your mobile device, and once you are inside the settings of your Android device, you will need to scroll down and find this particular setting that is related to display and brightness. So in my case it is listed as display and brightness, but in your case it might be listed as something else but related to the same meaning. So simply choose display and brightness, and under display and brightness you will need to scroll down, and from here you will see this option that says screen refresh rate. So simply click onto this screen refresh rate, and now from here you can see that currently it is set to standard, and you will need to choose high option instead of standard. Currently I am not able to choose as I am screen recording, but in your case you will simply need to choose this high option, and it will make sure that it utilizes the maximum available screen refresh rate. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.